In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix black screen in Telegram app video. If your Telegram screen goes dark when you open the app or try to play media, follow along and we'll work through reliable fixes. Starting with the quickest ones. First, open the Telegram app on your device so you can make changes from inside the app itself. Next, clear the app's cache. In Telegram, go to Settings, then Data and Storage. Then Storage Usage and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can become corrupted and cause display problems, especially with videos or images. Clearing the cache won't delete your chats or your saved messages. It only clears temporary items that Telegram can safely rebuild. After you do this, give the app a moment, then try opening the same screen or media again. If the black screen persists, restart your device. A full restart refreshes system processes, graphics drivers, and background services. It's a simple step that often resolves glitches where the app and the operating system fall out of sync. Make sure Telegram is up to date. Head to your device's App Store. Search for Telegram and install any available update. Updates include bug fixes, performance improvements, and compatibility changes that can directly address rendering issues like a black screen. If you still see the issue, force stop the app and reopen it. Close Telegram, then press and hold the Telegram icon. Choose the option that opens the app's info. Tap Force Stop, and then launch Telegram again. This fully terminates background processes that a normal close might leave running, which can clear a stuck state. Now check permissions in your phone's settings. Ensure Telegram has permission to access storage or files. Without this, Telegram may not be able to read cached media or write temporary data correctly, which can result in blank or black screens when loading content. Turn the relevant permissions on. Then return to the app and test again. If none of the above resolves the problem, reinstall Telegram. Uninstall the app, then reinstall it from your App Store. This replaces damaged app components and resets configuration files that updates or cache clearing can't fix. Because Telegram is cloud-based, your chats will resync when you sign back in, and your groups and channels will reappear. Just be aware that you may need to re-download media and any local. Only items not saved to the cloud won't carry over. That's it. Thanks for watching.